Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the PRL short ram street math intake on the 2020 SI. So we'll show you guys how that boy sounds, do a little bit of before and after. Alright guys, so this is going to be before, so we'll go ahead and show you guys how it sounds. Go ahead and rev it, Lalo. So you could hear how the intake sounds, you could hear the blow off valve a little bit. Hopefully with the new intake, the better airflow, you'll be able to hear the blow off valve a little more. So yeah, we'll show you guys how it sounds after. Alright guys, so this is what the PRL air intake comes with. So it's like their little business card, basically saying thank you for choosing them. Here's the filter. It comes with all the pieces that you're gonna need. So yeah, the filter, and then it's a silicone tube rather than the aluminum. This is just how they make their product. And we got the street math housing, because if you get the race math, you do need a tune in order to throw that intake on. They went ahead and hooked us up with some decals. What else? A keychain. And then yeah, some more decals, and then some more clamps. And it just comes with all the hardware. I'll leave a link down below for those of you that want to order the intake. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this video done and show you guys how it sounds. Bigger than him.
You good there, Jesus?
He's out of breath.
What? You good? Like, you good?
Alright guys, so first thing you want to do, remove these two bolts.
Yeah, I need a fucking...
And then just loosen everything else. So all the little clamps. That way everything, you can just pull everything off easy. Right now we're having trouble with these little screws right here, because Lalo doesn't have the proper size. So we'll get back to you guys on that once it's out. Alright guys, we're gonna test fit the louvers on the homies Performance Pack GT.
Yeah, big coach is cracking on the louver.
This shit looks way better with the louvers, watch. Bro, I can only imagine one with the side ones too. Damn. And look, sit inside, you can see perfectly out.
Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to see.
That's what I was worried about, but now you can see perfectly fine. And that interior though. See if you guys could see. Yeah, you could kind of see from this angle. I'm gonna open your door.
Yeah.
You can see good, huh? It doesn't like mess up your view or anything.
Dude, you can see good. I honestly expected it to like...
To block everything, huh?
Not everything, but like, yeah.
Alright guys, Lalo got the intake off. Here's the stock intake parts. So we're gonna go ahead and do the PRL air intake now.
Is this a turbo?
Bro, his car, everything is like right here, so it's so easy.
What the fuck? Oh, that's how you gotta be with the morras and punch.
You mean the morros?
Morras.
He said it wrong, guys. He meant morros. Coach just pulled up. We're gonna be doing the blow-off valve on this car pretty soon. What's up, Coach? What's up? Showing them your car. It's a Q50 Red Sport. This thing looks sick. So yeah, new video coming on this thing pretty soon. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, PRL intake is on. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how it sounds. airflow makes the blow-off valve sound even better too.
That's what makes it a little louder, huh?
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, I let off. You heard it?
Yeah, bro, that sounds so nice. Yo, when it has the blow-off valve, once you upgrade it,
I'm gonna get the
sound
HKS
nice.
one.
Subscribe to Cuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe to Scrappy Cuts.
Wait, what?
$60 a cut.
I just heard it say subscribe to Cuts.
He was crying.
Oh!
Bro, you can hear it. Got the BOV.
For
Wait, didn't he?
yeah.
You can hear it.
Oh! I can't wait to get my BOV.
Why are you shifting so hard?
Because why not?
Nigga loses control. and hits us.
I know.
You noticed this one's cracked?
Alright guys, I got Lalo these LED side markers for the SI. It replaces this ugly orange one. But yeah, show you guys how it looks when it's on. And then it comes with the LED lights.
Bro, it's so cool things for
So yeah, this is just gonna look better with these.
That's so cool.
Here's how the LED looks.
Shiny.
Can't really see it on camera, but it's
It'll
a
look
white
better
LED
once
light.
this is on.
Guys, there's the new one, and there's the old one. So way better.
What
After.
color? They're blacked out?
Yeah, they're like a light smoke.
Oh shit. Bet his underwear's wet right now.
Yeah.
It's so dumb, bro.
I always practice for saying some dumb shit.
Bro! Wait, stop.
Jesus,
Oh wait, you can't even.
You can't find the hole.
I got it. Oh, that's what she said.
Alright, let's hear that intake and hear the whoosh.
What exhaust you want to get?
Sounds nice, bro. I highly recommend the PRL air intake, bro.
Yeah, it's because I don't want to get.
It makes your car sound so much better.
But like wheel-wise, this shit.
Let me go ahead and show you guys how the LED side markers look.
They're matte black.
They grew on you?
Like yeah, like the 2020.
Can you guys
hatchback,
shut
the
up?
Same one.
Please.
Like the face is a black one, but the inside is black.
Probably have to show you guys at night because you can't really see that the LED is on. But in person you can see it. It's just on camera you can't really see it that much. But I'll show you guys at night how it looks. Looks dope. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Here's how the LED side markers look on the SI. I told you guys I'd show you how they look at night. Just don't mind the car, it's a little bit dirty since it rained, but yeah. Check out the charger, the 5.0, and here's how the side marker lights look. There you go, it looks much better than the stock orange ones. You can turn them off. But yeah guys, make sure you leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get